How to keep landscape wood chips from blowing away. Wood chips make an ideal mulch for use in planting beds, around trees, and in decorative gardens. They also aid in maintaining adequate soil moisture and preventing weed infiltration. The drawback of wood chips is they are very susceptible to erosion by both the wind and rain. However, with a little pre-planning, you can keep landscape wood chips from blowing away with little cost and effort. Things you will need: landscape bricks, garden netting, staples, staple gun. Instructions: cut your garden netting to fit your garden bed size. Leave it a few inches bigger than your bed. Don't worry about cutting holes for plants, you will cut those in later as you lay the netting down. Lay your garden netting over your planting bed and cut holes as necessary to fit over flowers and small shrubs. For larger trees and bushes, you may need to piece it around the plant in 2 pieces. The netting will lay on top of your wood mulch. Staple the garden netting down with long staples. A few staples per square foot is ideal to keep the netting from moving or lifting up on windy days. Lay down landscape bricks along the edge of your garden bed. Place these bricks directly on the edge of the garden netting. This will give your garden bed a clean, finished look and also help hold the edge of the netting down. Tips: warnings. If you don't want netting on top of your mulch, another method to keep the wood chips from blowing away is to only use a large grade wood mulch nuggets. These large wood chips will stay put on even the windiest days. Another alternative is to keep your wood chips wet. One more good alternative is to use a rubber mulch. This lasts for a very long time and is not susceptible to blowing away.